Hi students, let's quickly revise 10th standard ICSE English Literature Poem 9 Abu Ben Adam by Leigh Hunt. Leigh was a free thinker. In this poem, he brings out certain humanitarian principles which should be employed in our daily lives. The poem starts with Abu, who is awakened by a great shining light due to the arrival of an angel. Now we're not sure if he's having a vision, a revelation, or he's just hallucinating or dreaming. But he sees the angel as beautiful as a blooming lily, and the light is similar to moonlight. Now these phrases create a vivid and beautiful imagery in the minds of the reader. The angel is seen writing something in a golden book. This creates a supernatural aura in the story. Abu, who is very peaceful because he has a very clear conscience, boldly asks the angel what he was writing. The angel looks at Abu and with compassion replies that he is writing the list of the names of people who love God. Abu, out of curiosity, asks him if his name is there in the list, to which the angel replies in the negative. Abu becomes sad, but momentarily. He's an optimistic person and he cheerfully bounces back and requests the angel to write his name in the list of people who love their fellow men. And of course, fellow women. The angel quickly noted down something and vanished. This gives an impression of some spiritual happenings in that room. The next night, Abu was again awakened by a great shining light, and the angel appeared in a similar fashion, but this time the angel showed the golden book to Abu. The climax is surprising because it shows a list of people who are blessed by God, and Abu's name, as expected, is on the top of the list. This poem is a parable with a very strong message in resonance with the commandment, love thy neighbor as thyself. It raises a pertinent question: how can we claim to love God whom we can't see if we don't have kindness in our hearts for the people whom we can see? Instead of investing our time, money and energy in following religious diktats, customs and traditions, shouldn't we use these resources in helping humanity? Because there cannot be any greater love than the love for mankind. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.